Okay, I know you get, okay. So I'm making a new series. This is obviously inspired by, I'm pretty sure, the Pixelated Pumpkins Spirit Halloween battles. It's not, like where he compares Spirit Halloween and animatronics. This is obviously inspired by him. So go search up the Pixelated Pumpkin on YouTube search and then find the first channel. Go ahead and subscribe to it. Go and subscribe to the Tyler Hunt YouTube channel. Also, go and subscribe to HTG channel Halloween and subscribe to all those channels because I really like them. Like Spirit Halloween Hangout, Spirit Halloween's channel, and things like that. So like, oh yeah, also is in a like another day I'm gonna tell you guys to subscribe to another person. So today we will be comparing Nobody Here and the animated eyeball doorbell. We're gonna be comparing both of these. So Nobody Here and animated eyeball doorbell. So the Nobody Here, I got it like a year ago or like 2 years ago. It was really fun to use. I'm just saying, I will still be comparing other things like sitting scarecrow versus hanging scarecrow. That's coming on some days, but let's just get on to the video again. So we're gonna have the same categories as the Pixelated Pumpkin. So overall look, audio slash phrases, and I'm pretty sure like there was another one, but I already forgot it. It was like, I'm just gonna call it money, the money part. So first we got the animated eyeball doorbell. So let's see his overall look. So I'll just show you. So when you turn him on with the try me button, he will begin to like turn around his eyes like this, and yeah, he looks pretty cool to be a doorbell. But now let's get to Nobody Here. So Nobody Here, he has LED eyes like the eyeball doorbell, but he has red eyes instead of a green eye. So when you turn him on, yeah. But this one, you actually have to do this instead of just pressing a button. And he looks like a skull. So I'm gonna have to get this point to the eyeball doorbell. Oh yeah, and I'm not saying that I hate one and I like the other. I like both of them, but it's just I'm giving my opinion of the even better one. So now let's go to the audio slash phrases. So this time we're gonna start with Nobody Here. Well, in 20 minutes I'm gonna be with Georgie. So guess what? I had to stop the recording for a bit because I needed to talk with my mom. So, wait, I'm gonna see Georgie for 2 days. It would be more surprising if it was 3 days, but 2 days is also fine. But 2 days, okay. But let's go. So let's see the Nobody Here again. So that's the animation. Now you already seen the animated eyeball thingy, because if you haven't seen the video, it's gonna be loud. So headphone warning, headphone warning, headphone warning. Okay. Okay, I forgot to say. Nobody here just says nobody here. Ha 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 ha. But actually, the eyeball doorbell actually it does weird sounds, and it's like more intimidating. I don't know. It doesn't even matter. But this is more creepy, so I'm gonna have to give the point to the animated eyeball door knocker. Okay, now we get to the last category, money. I don't know how much this costs, but $29.99. First of all, that's kind of a fair price. Like, not that much. Like, 10 would be better. But I'd give the money to nobody here. But even if I got the money category, to nobody here still, the animated eyeball doorbell is the winner. So yeah, what's your opinion? Maybe like nobody here more. Maybe because the audio is loud for it, for the eyeball door knocker. Maybe you like him because it's loud. It all depends on your opinion. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.